Many people are talking about programming. A lot of people are learning to program simply because they want to automate some things or even build their own applications. But the question is, why should you learn to code? Or specifically, learn Python. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In the last video I talked about things you should keep in mind as you learn Python. I sort of give a path to take while learning Python. But in this video I'm going to be talking about why you should learn Python and how it's going to help you even if you do not plan to make programming your career. I'd also like to thank you for the support of my last video because that gave me a lot of motivation to make this one. Well, without further ado, let's get into the video. Many people feel that they do not need programming. But why should you learn programming at all? Well, you can learn to code if you want to make your life a little easier, if you want to make your own applications, or if you want to automate tedious tasks like sending emails. Learning to program will also give you an extra skill, which is important as it is the language of the modern world. Due to the automation of many tasks, people who do not know how to code will likely lose their jobs. And with the new generation of smart devices that are being released, programming is even more important as all of these devices are programmed in one way or another for them to function. But why is Python the language you should learn? Simply put, Python is easy to learn, even if you haven't had any exposure to other programming languages. This is especially due to its simplified syntax. And because it's a general purpose language, you can make almost anything with it. Python was made so that it will be easy to understand, which is one of the reasons why it's the best choice for you if you want to start programming. Python also has a growing community of very supportive people, which is also a factor that has contributed to its popularity. It's fast and efficient, and with such speed, Python can be used in nearly any type of development environment, like data science, machine learning, and other fields. Also, Python is on demand on the market right now, so if you want to go into full-time Python programming, you can do so. In the near future, coding would be essential for many tasks. Learning to code today will not only be a good thing for you, but it will also help you get ahead. Unlike a few other programming languages, Python is completely free and open source, which means you can download it today and even browse the source code. To install Python, simply go to python.org, the link will be in the description, and download the version suitable for your machine. You would then need to run the installer, follow the steps, and Python will be successfully installed in your computer. What if you don't have a computer? You might want to use Python on your Android device. Well, I have good news for you, as there is an application that allows you to run both Python 2 and Python 3 on your mobile. The application is called QPython, and you can install it from the Play Store just by searching QPython. I feel that it's one of the best development environments on Android. Well, I hope that you're ready to start Python programming. You also have a good reason to, even if you don't plan to become a full-time programmer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, and if you want to know when I upload my next video, then please subscribe to the channel. Also, put your thoughts down in the comments. Anyways, stay happy coding, and I will see you in the next video.